Today I'm making a green corn husk doll, and I'm going to start with making a cut all around the bottom of the corn to loosen those husks. They come off easily like this, as you can see. And then I cut the tips as well to make them look nice and aesthetic, a bit more off of the bottom. And of course I save the hair for the hair of the doll later on. Now I'm putting together a few of the husks, maybe 5 or 6. And then I take a string or thread, make it really tight, twist it around, and then just tie it. I bring the individual husks up, turn them over like this, all of them, all around. Try to make it aesthetically good looking as much as possible, because this will be the dress of the doll at the end, you will see. Once you got them all, just turn it over, bring a thread or string again, make it really tight as much as possible for the head. And then tie it, secure it. And now I'm lifting up 2 of the husks, 2 opposite ones for the arms. I will make braided arms, so I make some cuts with some scissors and just braid them. Just try to be gentle, with it, because it's green and it breaks easily. But it's gonna be fine. Once you are done with the braid, just take your string again, your thread, and just secure it at the end. This will repeat a lot. the tying and the twisting, we will use the thread a lot. We will repeat this again with the other arm. Secure it. And you can do this with dry husks as well. I just had the green husks available to me, but I think it's gonna be even better with the dry husks, because the green ones they will actually shrink a bit, so she may get loose later on, but it's good for a project anyway. So I did just marked her waist there, I guess, and she might get a belt later on. Now I'm cutting the bottom part, again making cuts, because this will be her dress. And when I tested it, I found that she stands better when I'm making those cuts. As you can see, I used the hair for hair and she kind of looks like a hippie to me, so I added that band on her forehead. And now I'm using the markers for some eyes, a mouth, and I'm making her even look better. And my doll is done. She even got a belt, as you can see. It's just a fun and easy project to do with family and friends. I hope you liked it and subscribe to my channel.